In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-line buttons in Figma. If you've ever had a button label that's just a bit too long, or you want it to break neatly onto a second line, this walkthrough is for you. We'll set up a button that automatically wraps its text and still looks clean and responsive. Start by creating the label. Press T to switch to the text tool, click on the canvas, and type your button copy, like Submit your application. Here's an important detail. Decide how you want the text to wrap. If you single-click before typing, the text will be auto-sized and won't wrap until it's constrained later. If you want to control the wrap point immediately, click and drag to draw a text box with a specific width. That fixed width box will automatically wrap the text when it reaches the edge, which is really useful for consistent button widths across a design system. Next, turn the text into a button container using Auto Layout. Select the text layer and press Shift+A, or right-click and choose Add Auto Layout. This creates an auto layout frame around your text, which will act as the button itself. Auto layout helps the button grow or shrink as the label changes, and it makes spacing predictable. Now, set up the text to wrap the way you want. With the text layer selected, look in the right sidebar under text and then resize. Choose Fixed Width to set an exact width where the text will wrap automatically when it gets too long. This is ideal when you want a consistent button width and controlled line breaks. Alternatively, use hug contents with a max width so the text grows naturally until it hits that maximum, then wraps to a new line. You can define that max width in the resize settings, which gives you flexibility while still preventing the button from becoming too wide. With wrapping in place, style the button container. Select the auto layout frame and add comfortable padding on all sides so the text doesn't touch the edges. Apply a fill color for the button background and adjust the corner radius to match your design language, whether that's slightly rounded or fully pill-shaped. These settings keep your button polished even when the text breaks across multiple lines. If you plan to reuse this button, convert it into a component. With the auto layout frame selected, click Create Component in the right sidebar. Now you can drop it into any design, update the label, and trust that the wrapping and spacing will just work.